Hello everyone, welcome back. I just got my resin over here. The temperature was 91.6 degrees. I'm using J Diction today. I don't know if I'll have enough for that other one. Piece of glitter, I don't know how that got there. I mean, I haven't used glitter in a couple days, so I have no idea how that got there. But honestly, it doesn't matter. Glitter just shows up. Okay, get these bubbles out. Torch them off. This one doesn't have much resin in it. Okay, let's get some colors in here. Cerulean by Let's Resin. This is a pretty short video. If you're using the products I'm using, you should be getting the same result. Now, if you're using different resin and different pigment, you know, it could look different. So don't get discouraged. I know when I started, and things weren't turning out the way I wanted to, I just had to experiment with different pigments and stuff that would work for my humidity, the heat around here, just all the above. So don't give up and don't get discouraged. You can make beautiful blooms. And I love them so much, and I love sharing them with you guys. I definitely have to stir this up because I added so much color in here. But if you've seen my other bloom videos, I love stirring it up anyway. I love to see all that mixture of color in the petals. I think it looks super cool. And sorry if you hear some background noise. It is so windy outside. I'm sitting out in the garage and I can hear the wind just banging against the garage. But anyway, I'm getting a new hibiscus mold soon. I cannot wait. My wonderful dad sent me some Christmas money, and I'm gonna use it to get a mold, and I'm quite excited. Two drops of art. 1, 2. Get that mixed up, get it in our piping bag. I'll definitely need to torch that in a second. Okay, if you're really good mixed up, put it in your piping bag. Twist this and tie it up. Whoa, I cut that pretty big. So, We're just gonna go around the stones. Over here, we're just gonna do around the stones once. And then we're gonna oh goodness. I'm carried away on that. Okay. I think we might add some little loopies. Goodness, I missed. Okay, that's all we're doing. Now, I need to get a toothpick. Hold on. Okay. What do I want to do here? I think I'm going to go in right here. All the way over the top of my stones. Here too. Right there. And that's all I'm doing there. You know, because it's got all this, I don't know if that's even gonna work. We'll find out. Okay, guys, that's all I'm doing. Hopefully this bloom's okay and not too blobby. I wish I had my other lighter. I looked across the table and there it was. It doesn't have much fluid in it, but it's one I'm gonna use. Trying to look at it from an angle. Okay, I'm gonna walk away. Well, okay, now I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna cover it up and walk away. So I'll see you when this does something. And we'll do something on the back. I will see you after a while. Bye. Okay, guys, let's check these out. I went ahead and put it back on them I used a little black. I used a little bit of this dioxazine purple. And I used a little bit of the Intoresin blue pigment drops. Mix that together and I got this. So, we're gonna see. Okay, let's check it out. Ready? Oh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. I like that a lot. I think that looks really nice. Okay, now I'm worried about my big one. What's it gonna look like? Okay, guys, you ready? Ooh, I love that. I think it's so beautiful. And I can't wait till I get my new mold. It'll be bright and new and shiny and no marks on it. I can't wait. But I hope you guys like that. And I hope you give it a try. But I will get some pictures of these. And I hope you guys have a super extraordinary day. And if you have any questions or anything, you know, don't be afraid to ask in the comment. I answer every comment. And I would love to help you figure out what works for you if you're having issues. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your time and all your support. And I just want to say thank you guys and have a great day. See ya.